David LaFlame of It's a Beautiful Day was in Seattle to play at the Eagles Hall, Boyd Grafmeyer production, and was up in one of those big houses up on Capitol Hill across from Volunteer Park. And he wrote Whitebird in Seattle. I don't know if any of you were aware of that. So essentially, really, that song's a Northwest rock and roll song. So, yeah.
Yeah, we worked something out.
We live, we die, and like the grass and trees, renew ourselves from the soft earth of the grave. Stones crumble and decay, faiths grow old, and they're forgotten. But new beliefs are born. The faith of the villages is dust now, but will grow again, like the trees. Chief Joseph.
We were contented to let things remain as the great Spirit Chief made them. They were not, and would change the rivers and the mountains if they did not suit them.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Free harmony. Thanks so much.
When we first started playing this song, we still play occasionally with a fiddle player named Katie Weed, really great fiddle player. But Katie couldn't make it tonight. Anyway, so this is a song that, you know, when they asked us to play, we're like, but it's a violin song. We gotta have a violin. But we decided we're gonna play it anyway. So we'll make it.
And how great to hear that story.
Yeah. so much.